Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Toyota RAV4 GX, stock reference number 5509. The shape runs from the 11th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has an M28 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. M28 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, single zone type, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster.